Greetings, I'm Drigo, the Culinary Alchemist. Today we're going to be talking about jackfruit. We're going to make some beautiful jackfruit curry. We're going to light the wok, and then we're going to put some oil in the wok, and we're going to fuse the flavor of the curry leaves and the thyme together simultaneously into the oil. Okay, here we go with some curry leaves. We have some thyme. This right here is kolanji. Add the garlic, turmeric, coriander, cumin. Now we're going to add the onions. All right, so you're going to wait and listen for that singing noise that the wok is going to make. And then you're going to add the jackfruit. Now you add the curry, salt, and just gently turn it over. We're going to do a dry, this is like almost like a dry roasting I do with jackfruit. Just to kind of get the spices marinated into every crevice. Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, if you really pay attention to the fruits then that I is be cooking for people to eat, right? It's nothing but divine feminine energy, you know. I think it's a joke. Huh?
This is the basil seeds. It's like an aromatic. It's really delicious. Really just kicks it up that extra notch, adds another layer. Yeah. Is the core, right? This right here is what we're gonna cut out, all right? Next, we're gonna add our seasonings, right?